Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Bella. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And if you're not new, thank you guys for sticking with me. I really appreciate you guys. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I came up with this agua water made with cucumber. It's absolutely delicious. It's healthy. It's gonna not only help you lose belly fat, stubborn fat that doesn't want to go away, but it's also refreshing when you're drinking. It's so good, it's so healthy. My kid loves it, my family loves it, my friends loves it. So I decided to show you guys how I came out with it. So keep on watching and to the end and see how I did it. So without further ado, let's jump to the video. So first thing you want to do, you want to cut the end of cucumber, of course after washing it. And then the next thing I usually do, I will cut like a few slices of cucumber, because I have kids, and to make them drink you want to make it looks more presentable, nice. When they see that, they're excited to drink it and all that. And so I like to decorate it afterwards. So I'll put this aside. Go ahead, put it aside. And then now we're gonna go ahead and peel our cucumber. Just drink like it's really good. I like to drink it. I like sweet stuff, but it's all about making good choices for yourself. So this is what I drink now. I replace him to my sweet drink, and I really love it. I really love it, just knowing that it's healthy for you. So I go for it. And my kids, it's like a bonus to my kid. My kid loves it too. So once you finish, I'm gonna go ahead, cut it. So this is how it looks. I cut it in small pieces to be, just to make it easier to blend it with water. So now I'm gonna go ahead. The amount of water I use for this, it's about 7 cups of water. And my blender or mixer or whatever you call it, it's not big enough to consume all this water. So I'm gonna do it in 2 parts, and to make sure that I use all this water. So I put it here because I want to make sure that I use exactly 7 cup of water. Yes, so if you have a big mixer that can fit all water, 7 cup of water, go ahead, do it, and just do it all at once. But for me, I have to separate in two. And I'm gonna go ahead now. I fill out the water in my mixer, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add my cucumber to mix it. So once I add my cucumber to mix it, I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. So you want to make sure that you mix it very well until all the pieces is completely like a smoothie consistency. So that's what you want. That's what you want. So please make sure you follow what I'm doing and blend it until you get like a smoothie consistency. It's not gonna be really smooth like smoothie because there's a lot of water, and we wanna keep that water because that water, agua, it's life. That agua, it's actually delicious. Look what I did at first, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do my second one. So it's absolutely, this drink, it's very very good. My kids loves it, my family loves it. Like it's amazing, it's amazing, it's amazing. Just keep on watching and you will see what I'm doing. So right now I'm doing my second one, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing, blend it. Again, make sure you blend it very well. You see, as you can see, the consistency, there's no small pieces on this drink because you don't want to keep the cucumber with the small pieces. So right now I'm going ahead and rinse the cucumber. I just want to remove all um the small pieces that left, as you can see, and I'll just conserve water. I'm gonna keep water, but again, you don't want to throw all this away. So I'm gonna remove all the pulp, but do not throw away any pulp. So guys, this drink is actually amazing. When you're drinking in the morning, the whole day you feel so full. You can like be around noon and it's time to eat, but you don't feel like eating. So that's really is gonna help you to lose weight because it's like watermelon. Like when you eat watermelon the whole day for a week, you're definitely gonna lose weight. And this one, the good thing about it, it's also gonna keep you hydrated. So you're not gonna it's gonna keep you hydrated, so you're not gonna feel like you fainted or anything. No, it's very very good. So as you can see, this is the amount of my agua, water made with cucumber, the amount that I collect. So I'm gonna go ahead now and put it in a jar. Like I said, for kids, it's they like to see something pretty. It looks nice for them, to actually have the interest to drink whatever. And also you're gonna tell them that it's healthy, all that. So it's all about having a good habits for your family, for yourself, and for the kids, because kids learn from us, right? So now we're gonna go ahead. What I'm gonna add lime. Guys, I didn't have my lime crusher. I don't know where I put it, so I'm gonna and this is what I'm doing. But if you have the lime crusher where you can just crush it and get the juice out, go ahead, go for it. So this is what I'm doing, and it was it was not easy to come out with the juice, but yes, I did actually collect enough juice that I needed for this recipe. So as you can see, that's the juice, and now we're gonna go ahead and add sugar because you want like some kind of energy, right? And for my kid, I do add a juice, to make them, to have a little bit of sweetness, because my kid don't drink any kind of juice like you can buy at the store. No, anything that they drink like juice, it's made at home by me, so I can control what I put in and all that. So I'm putting 3 tablespoon in this lime juice, and you want to go ahead and dilute it. Make sure you dilute it, because you don't want to end up, like sometimes you end up like with a bunch of sugar at the bottom of your juice. No, that's not what you want. So you want to make sure you dilute it, like it become like really like water. Yes, and then that's when it's all diluted. So just be patient, make sure that it's diluted. As you can see now, it's like water. There's no sugar left at the bottom, and I use canned sugar because it's very healthy. It's more like it's natural and all that. So I fill my cup with ice. Guys, this drink, it's absolutely so yummy. Like it's really really good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my agua, yes, my water, cucumber. So it's really 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 good. Look at that, guys, look at that. It's so refreshing. My kids loves it. And guys, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and you can see all these amazing recipe I have for you. I like to read you guys. You can leave me a comment down below and share this video with friends and family so we all can stay healthy and maintain our healthy lives, right? This is all is about. Yeah, we want to all be healthy, live longer. Yes, by choosing what we putting in our body, in our system. So like I was saying, this is what I'm adding to my cucumber just to have it, it looks nice to decorate it. Yes, so this is for my kids, okay? This is how I make it for my kids. They love it. It tastes really, really good. The sugar that I put is not too much. It's not like, oh, too much sugar. No, I just put just enough. So my second one, this is what my husband and I like really like to drink. It keeps us very, very full through the day. So I add a little bit of pulps that I left. Like I said, that do not throw it away because you're gonna need it. Yes, that's what I was talking about. So it makes the drink a little bit heavier for you to conceive, especially in the morning when you get it, you take it in the morning. It's so refreshing and it's good. Summer is coming up. You want something refreshing. You don't want to be dehydrated. You want something in you can put it in your jar and take it with you, carry with you at work. When you're having a get together with friends and family, you can always have it. And what I always add on my drink is chia is good for your digestion system. It helps to digest everything that you consume. It's absolutely, it's very good. It's healthy thing that you need to add into your diet. My kids loves it. I did not put it to my kids drink because they consider it in a different way. So that's why I didn't add it to them, because I don't want them to look like, oh mommy, what is this, whatever. So that's why I didn't put it for them. But I actually usually have my kid also eat it. So right now, that's the second one, and my last one is the one that I usually also consume, like when it's my lunchtime or my dinner, whatever. That's what I drink. I don't put any bubs in it. All I just put it, I just add a little bit of chia in it, and it tastes absolutely amazing. So thank you so guys for watching this video. I appreciate you guys. Please share this video with friends and family, and I will see you next time with my new video. Thank you again. Bye bye.